In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Durable AE Website Builder 2025. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable workflow you can use to build client sites fast and turn them into income. Start by heading to durable.co and creating an account. Once you're in, choose Create Website with AI. This option lets the platform do the heavy lifting so you can focus on presentation and delivery instead of starting from a blank canvas. Next, generate a client website. Enter the client's business type and location. That little bit of context helps the AI write relevant copy and pick a layout that fits the niche. In a few moments, Durable will auto-build a homepage, a services page, and a contact page. From there, personalize it. Update the text so it reflects the client's voice and offerings, swap in images that match the brand, and adjust the colors and logo to align with their identity. A helpful tip here is to keep messaging clear and benefit focused, and make sure the contact form is easy to find and works properly. You can often produce a clean professional site in 5 to 10 minutes per project once you have the basics ready. With a working demo in hand, structure your offer into simple packages. A basic website can be priced in the $100 to $300 range for clients who just need an online presence. A business website with more polish, richer copy, or extra sections can land in the $300 to $600 range. Pair those with a monthly maintenance plan between $30 and $100 to handle updates and light edits. This keeps the relationship ongoing and predictable. Ideal clients for this approach include local businesses that need visibility, coaches who want a clean landing spot for their services, freelancers who need a portfolio, and online sellers who benefit from a straightforward site that points to their products. Keep your scope clear for each package, such as how many pages and rounds of edits are included, so projects stay smooth. Finally, deliver and get paid. Publish the site so the client can preview it live. Connect a custom domain to make it feel official. If the client already owns one, you can point it to the new site through their domain provider or purchase one on their behalf if that's part of your service. Then either hand over access so they can manage it, or continue managing everything under your maintenance plan. With this workflow, you're creating value quickly and turning that speed into a reliable income stream.